So how do we go to our computer settings? I'll repeat. To go to computer settings, go to start menu on taskbar, and then you'll find settings here. Click on settings. When you come to settings has two ways. Twina side zena watuno ne color ojira very different. And wali categories. Ne tuba ne wana wagazi. Chokuona mweno omulundi gumu. What you click here, omulundi gumu ebiri munda nga birabikira wano. For example, if I want to know about my system, njagenda mu settings, then I click on system. Zino the settings ezikwata kuki eziri under system. Power, storage, sound, display, byonna biri under system. If I want to know about Bluetooth, I will just click one time Bluetooth. Ebikwata mu Bluetooth nga birabikira wano wagazi. If I click about network, just click one time ebikwatagana ku network and internet nga birabikira wano wagazi. That is how you go to settings. So to ngamba, I want to connect to Wi-Fi, you are connecting abata, go to settings, gena wali network and internet, you will find it. You will ask me about your profile picture, go to settings, then let us click in personalize, to the background. If you click on background, then we can change any of our wallpaper. Sindio? Hello? And now we have apps. If you want to know the apps is in the computer, so no settings. Click on apps, and then you'll see eventually settings as apps. If you want to put password in computer, you take a password. Gena mo settings, kuside zena wale watono, then you're just selecting accounts. When you select accounts, scrolling down, there are so many options. No more settings down. No nyamu air lock. We see here sign in option. Then you click here to take a password. Kuno kasumolozo. And then you can say if you want a fingerprint, if you want to use a pin, if you want to use a password, just click on it and then click select change or if you need the password, select setup. Tulaba ka screen kana kote kachuka categories zosigala weziri wano wakola ki wachuka. In case you agala kudda mabega, you can use even this one back, or you can just click kuchilala ogamba katika nkebere mu settings kangendeko mu date and time and language njagala chusa lulimi screen ntochuka bo chokona mu mundi gumu wano ngachirabika awagazi. For language tujagena no mu languages, and then we can add any language jitwagala ku adding ku computer. In case njagala chusa kuva mu English or take maybe mu Arabic, you will select from here. No Luganda mwiruli. That is settings for you. Now, let's talk about something called search bar. How would you find any file and any program on your computer? Or to ku computer, search for me Eddie Kenzo song. Computer CEO, tumanyo limba ya lutekawa. Tumanyo obako ulio bate luliko. Nema mtu akugambye tukubile na kwe DJ ina wagenze, maybe ina walazi bagambye mani computer ye. Gujirobera ku computer DJ nga wakomawo. Atete wasoma computer wa hanta nga bakugamba tukubila kayimba ka Kenzo. No, butagala ne mouse. How would you find any file on a computer? Bera ngo chimanyi computer zona zina ne when searching. Zina na ukola chi? O searching ira. Sujagenda bugenzi ku search for Windows 11 oja kisanga wano obade ku Windows 10 oja kisanga search ire bera wano bali. Ne ba Windows 7 ne ba Windows 8 ba ne wo searching ira. Genda ku search wo searching ira on the taskbar ku search. Take for example agambye Kenzo, take put sirinja chi ndi Kenzo. Buli file yonna ekwatagana ku Kenzo ejja kujja. Tulaba namba tulaba olima lugamba lucha sitalos. Sitalos tawutaddeko lwajjota download nzejo. Tulaba nkulowozaako. In fact bagambe kwa bali pila, then you will select from here files zikwatako chi Kenzo. Sindio?
Yeah.
Now you will just click bali pila border. You click once. And then you open the song. So sikugamba play DJ akomawo atotandika kutagala. For example, liku computer bakugambye computer eyo iliko waka wa hanta document njagala ku document gulawo document eriko hunter computer siiyo naye omuntu akugambye bambi tuyamba ogulewo ku document eyitibwa etya eyitibwa hunter tomanyi omusajja agiterekawa tomanyi oba kweri oba teriiko onoogifinding oti how do you find that file as long as bakubulidde erinnya nti eyitibwa hunter as long as bakugambye playing a kenzo just gendawo searchingira for example tuteekemu tugambe tusearchinga eyitibwa etya document eyitibwa etya hunter wandikamu hunter wano era buli document file ekwatagana ku hunter tuzirawo zino zigenda kuba zikola ki ziri listed then gyoyagala okuopeninga for example yagala kuopeninga eno you click on it and the document is going to do what to open document oba openize nga eri mu kaspace katono we kati tugigeza ta eberenge ejjula full screen anajjukira how to increase tunyiga wana wali button egamba maximize screen ekola ki ejjula. We shall learn how to do these things bemulaba tutabiga mu next class eyitibwa Microsoft Word. We shall learn how to organize or coming up with something beautiful like this. That is computer for you. Even when searching how to search for any file, go to search bar. Searching. Twagamba, how do we go to the internet? Internet twagamba laptop sefta zijja tezirina ki? Google. Nulwekyo ogenda otya ku internet? Okozesa Microsoft what? Microsoft Edge. Ogenda ku internet. So Microsoft Edge abeera ku wano wansi. In case tomulaba, how do you search for it? Ojja kujja ku search searching Microsoft what? Microsoft Edge. In this store Microsoft Edge yekutwala ku internet. Sindio? Number 3. Singamba ne laptop yo nekugamba laptop yange nenkubuuza laptop yo eriko WhatsApp eriko TikTok oba tekuli TikTok. Twagamba to check all programs ogenda ku start menu nogenda ku all what? All programs. Nojango skipet. But chinzo oba consuming time omuntu akubuuza laptop yo eriko TikTok oba tekuli. Genda bugenzi wo searching ira ku search bar otekemu ekigambo ki tik bweneba kweri ejja kujja wano era ngo mugamba tekola ki teriko kubanga tezze app tezze bwana kubuzo kuliko WhatsApp ku laptop yo kuliko WhatsApp ngo jano wo search yobudde bono malango ogende no kebera osobola okujja buzi wano wo search nga no gamba kan searching eki WhatsApp era wereba kweri jja kulaga no eri under what an app is it there then ngomanya kweri. So you opening, you can click here, you can choose here. That is how you search for any program. That's how you search for any app. This is how you go to the internet. You can go search by the Microsoft Edge. You go to browsing the internet. Go to searching the internet. Even you could downloading the ebintu byotagala okola ki okudownloading. How do you install software from Microsoft Store? Microsoft Store yebera one once ku taskbar. If it's not there on all Windows, jangu wano searching Microsoft what? Store. Ogenda mu store o downloading ebintu byoyagala apps zonna software yonna gwoyagala. If I want to close this, njagala maliza ku downloading njagala ngenda bi closing ate twagambye apps zonna ziba ne buttons zino zisatu. Enekola mulimu ki? To close. So I will close na click ngano and then I close it. Now, tuyina kye bayita file explorer. Akabox kafaanana bwe kati. Most times kabeera ku taskbar wansi wano kafaanana bwe kati. Kafaanana kayitibwa file explorer. File Explorer eno tusangayo ki? Nga twagambye nti mu start menu tusangayo programu zokka. File Explorer tusangayo files na folders. File Explorer tusangayo files na ki? Na folders. Bifaananyi buli kiri ku kompyuta yo, binyimba, video obisanga eno. Ono bato bisakinze wano. In case tomanyi manya gaabyo, oyagala kebera kompyuta nga eriko music kika ki, eriko video ki, eriko bifaananyi ki, ogenda mu file what? Fena tukalaba? Fena tukalaba guys? Singa mbadde mwesinga buno buntu ngenda mukuba wansi ku gundi ku task bar yange gye nasazizaako awo. Mujja bwerabira. So just click on File Explorer nga yeggula. Tugambe size we bantu no ku screen ogifuula full ejjulewo tugenda ku ki? Ku maximize. Maximize. Tukinga ku maximize nejjulawo. Now File Explorer eringa woolaba settings nti ebane sides eno ka screen akatono neba ne wana waki? Awagazi. Era eno ebyo tebikyuka okubonamu omulundi gumu ebiri munda nga birabikira wa? Nga birabikira wano. For example, nagamba kankone ebice ebiri mu gaali nkonamu omulundi gumu awagazi nga walabika bino bibiri mu ki? Bwe nagamba ebice ebiri mu attached, bwe nakona ku attached ebiri mu attached nga birabika. Eba wakalu wano ojja kuba tewali kiro nga kikugamba this folder is empty. Bwe nakona mu documents ebiri mu documents nga birabikira wa? Eno gyogenda okusanga buli kasasiro buli kimu ekiri ku kompyuta yo, oba bifaananyi, oba waaka, oba video, oba music, ojja bisanga mu File Explorer. Tugambye baneka screen size ena akatono ne wana wagazi. Eno okonayo omulundi gumu ekirimu otukebera mu Microsoft Office oyinza okugamba biki ebiri muno, tukonayo omulundi gumu ebirimu nga birabikira wa? Birabikira wa? Sindiyo? Gamba biki ebiri mu pictures, okonayo omulundi gumu mu pictures nga birabikira wa? Ngojano kyekiri ku desktop, ebiri ku desktop byonna nga birabikira wa? So wana wagazi oba yagala kubikula, for example, ebiri ku desktop, maybe yagala kubikula this one. How do you open? You can just right click and choose what? Huh? If you want to delete, you can just right click and choose. If you want to delete, you choose delete. Tugambe screen eno okonayo omulundi gumu bice ebiri mu downloads. Oyagala kebera bitwa downloads ejjo, bice ebiri mu downloads okonayo omulundi gumu bino bibiri mu ki? Mujjukira twa downloading ka Chrome kano. Ne Avast antivirus oli. Oyinza okwebuuza setting banaye na downloads ne settings simanyi weeri. Genda bugenzi mu File Explorer. Tugambe onotukayo screen ziriyo bbiri, side eno wali akatono, side zeno waki? Eno okonamu omulundi gumu kyokonyemu nga no kirabika. So oba olina bye wa downloads, maybe wa downloads software yawo tomanyi setting gye ziri, genda mu File Explorer onoonya wali downloads, kona mu downloads omulundi gumu, setup zo jabo zikola ki? Jabo ziraba. So how do I open this setup? Maybe njagala gi opening. How do I open it? You right click on it and then choose what? Option. Unless you mwagala kukwata ukwasi. I think I try my best.
The question is about File Explorer. Question like okay, what's the use of File Explorer?
Now, moving forward, how do you connect to the internet? You can connect it direct in settings. Or else, you can just come on the taskbar wano wenyini wansi tulaba wali akantu ka internet. Ku taskbar ku right side awasemba on every computer. As long as you kosa Windows. Awasemba jojo sanga time ne date. Bino taga bisobola bisettingira mu settings. Tugenze mu settings. Setting tuteka ku Wi-Fi, but you can just come here on Awasemba, click here ojja kulaba option zino ezaki eza wifi. Or oyagala kuchanginga time and date, you can come here, ojja kulaba kalenda yo. Or oyagala kusprinklinga sound, tulaba ali akazindaalo kulina na battery. If you click on it, tulaba wali osobola okuinkluzingira ki sound, oba osobola okuinkluzingira light. So tugambe kiki tusanga mu file explorer. Files and folders. For example, file nga ki music, ekyokubiri photos, ekyokusatu tusanzeyo ki videos, ekyokuna tusanzeyo ne documents. Now I don't know what was your question, but I think it has given you an answer. Someone was asking that question. So file explorer jetusanga all files and folders, ne bibyo twa download nze byonna tubisange, si ndio? Now let us show Uganda toina Wi-Fi, because twagambye how to connect Wi-Fi. We can connect it through settings. We can connect Wi-Fi through settings. Tugenda ku settings, on start menu we go to settings, and then from here tunonya wali ki network and what and internet. We do some file, click internet and network, and then here to make sure on waliwo Wi-Fi, manage networks. Okay, to opening on to clicking on to tulabe biche bikwata ku Wi-Fi. So from here you can see it connected, and then from here so kumanya show available networks, on waliwo show available networks. Show available networks ziri available ziriwa zino. So in case oyagala connectinga kweno, you just click on it as long as omanyi password, si ndio? Or else ojja kujja ku taskbar wano wansi awasemba, tugambe wano awali omuzindaalo n'eryanda, click on it, and then wano ojja kukola akantu akalaga internet. From here wono clicking wano ebbali ojja kuba osobola okulaba Wi-Fi endala ezikola ki eziri available. So gyono oyagadde giclickingeko oteekemu password. What about singa oli Uganda tolina Wi-Fi ate oyagala kukozesa laptop yo? Genda oteekeko data wo ku line yo. Bw'ono oteekako data wo, genda oteekeko kye bayita hotspot. Omanyi hotspot? Osharingira data n'omuntu. Teekako butesi hotspot. Bw'ono oteekako hotspot ku simu yo, then gulawo laptop yo, osearchinge internet. Ojje wano wenyini otugambye osearchingira, okirikinge wano, and then esimu yo gyaba ogirabirawo, yo laptop ojja girabanga Wi-Fi. Tulaba esimu yange yino eyitibwa ita iPhone. So yo ejirabanga Wi-Fi, era wena clickingako, as long as manyi password nengamba connect, ejabe connectinga nga data emoja direct kuki ku simu yange. So tekikwetagisa ate na connectinga nja teekako butesi hotspot, genda ku laptop yo, searching internet, connectinga. Ngambye osobola connectinga internet ng'oyita mu settings oba ng'oyise wano wansi. In case oyise mu settings, genda ogulawo settings, start menu, open settings, ononya wali network and internet. Siwe kiri? Si ndio? Then you click in network and internet. Then onojja kulaba akasoka option setting esoka yachi ya Wi-Fi. Gyobo clickinga ku Wi-Fi. Then olabe Wi-Fi bikwataga nti ino kweri on. Okay? Wi-Fi che connect nze nti yino. Wano waliwo ekigamba show available network. If I click here, available network, era nesimu yange gye natadde ku hotspot yino tukola ki? And then you can select it in case gyagala connectingako, and then you click connect. Suzy, what's your question? So how do you hide desktop icons? Bufaananyi buno twagala buyitibwa desktop icons. Osogenda ku laptop nga nnina wayagiresa abo hides nga tekuli nakamu. How do you hide them and how do you unhide desktop icons? Oyinza oba olina abaana ewaka ng'oyagala vaawo laptop yo toyagala gijjako n'osalawo bino ebiri kungulu obikweka ebukwesi obikweka otya. Twagambye right click in the space on the desktop, go to view, option ezinaba zijja go to view, and then from the view jangu eno wansi waliwo ekigamba show desktop icons. Bw'onojjako kattiiki kano show desktop icons tojja kuba tosobola laba icon netya. Abantu abayiga bamaze okukinyiga by mistake n'alowooza laptop efudde banfeze. Desktop icons zikomawo zitya? It is the same story. Right click in space on the desktop menu, ono wenyini mu space, go to view, and then the wansi awali show desktop icons omake sure zawo kaki kattiiki zikomawo. Ekyokusatu, how do you increase the size? How do you enlarge the size of your icons? Icons baffe buyinza oba butono, njagala butubugeze ebigambo bigere nga binene. How do you increase the size? Right click era ogende ku view. Now so ogamba large what? Options zizi icons nga bigette. Also gamba njagala butono nnyo. Right click in the space, go to view, then ogende ku small what? These options you just right click and then notambuza tewali kirala nnyo. Right click and click. Right click ereta option, click ebeera ekola selection. Tugamba at least media kamugejjamu. Now lesson yaleero ewedde njiriko audience, but before I complete, I have a sister of mine. I will not record this. I will stop the recording.